Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with D. Myself Dhariraj Malu, and today let us know about Python comments. So let's jump into computer screen and let's get started. So guys, I'm here on the computer screen, and when the program get lengthy and difficult and complex, they get more difficult for the other users that are coming on this program and understanding it. They will not able to understand your program, what you have written. So in that case, we put comments like this is the best tutorial. So the computer is simply ignoring this line because he knows if a line is starting with an hash, this means that it is a comment. Comment means simply we are tagging a block of code that this block of code is doing this, like this: a is equals to 10, then some space, then hash, the value of 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 a variable able is 10. So now computer is executing only this much line, and after that it is their hash. He knows that he is their hash, then he break the compiling from here, and this is a, he knows that this is a comment put in for the other users and for my self understanding, so the computer will simply ignore it. So this was all I wanted to share with you in this video. Till the next video, goodbye.